This video will demonstrate how to apply to extend your approval through water applications online if there is just one holder on the approval. Prior to the expiry of the approval, Water New South Wales will send you a letter with the information required on how to extend your approval. You will need to visit Water Applications online at wao.waternewsouthwales.com.au. You will then need to scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Visit Water Applications Online button. To begin the application, click the Start New Application option, followed by Next at the bottom of the page. The screen will now display Terms of Use information, which you will need to read and then click the checkbox to indicate that you have read and agreed to the Terms of Use, followed by clicking Next at the bottom of the page. Now you will need to select your application type, which is Extend an Approval, followed by entering the holder's name. In this section, please only enter the surname for a person, or if the holder is an organisation, please enter the full organisation name. Lastly, you will need to add your personal application number. This number can be found on the top of your letter you received to extend your approval. Now click Next again. Please then enter the email address you would like to receive correspondence to regarding this application. Once you have done so, you will receive an email where you will need to click the link to verify the email address. Once the email address has been verified, you can click on the Next button to continue your application. If your approval has passed the expiry date, there will also be information regarding the higher fee that will need to be paid. Once you have clicked Next, step 1 of your application will begin, where details on the approval you are extending as the holder will be displayed. Here you will need to click Next. On the next screen, you will be shown information about the type, size, and location of the works, and will need to indicate whether this information is correct or not using the yes and no tick boxes, followed by clicking Next. You will now be asked to review the responses you have provided and click Next if correct or back if incorrect to amend. You will then be shown a declaration you need to read and accept. Once accepted, step 1 of your application is complete. You will now be prompted to complete payment for your application. Once done, your application has been submitted.